Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You will begin by verifying essentials so you can move quickly. Make sure Git is installed and your user. Name and user. Email are set. This ensures commits record correctly. Once done, decide SSH versus HTTPS and create an SSH key or obtain a personal access token. In your project folder, start the process. Git init, add a concise. Git ignore, stage files with git add, and make an initial commit, so the repository has history before connecting to GitHub. Now you connect your local repo to GitHub and push history. Create the remote repository on GitHub or use the GHCLI so you have the remote URL ready. Once you have it, run git remote add origin URL and confirm with git remote v to avoid typos. Next, push your branch with git push u origin main or master. The U sets upstream, so future git push is simple. If authentication asks, use your SSH key or paste the personal access token for HTTPS. Finish by verifying the repo appears on GitHub with your commits and files, refresh the project page, and open the commit history. Make any housekeeping changes, set the default branch, enable branch protection, or add a README and license through the web UI. If you hit problems, try one key troubleshooting step. If push is rejected, git pull rebase origin main to integrate remote changes, resolve conflicts, then git push. Also check authentication. Re-add your SSH key or regenerate a personal access token if needed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.